Hi, Kirsten. Andrea Spar here. Replying to your presentation. I do agree with you that we technically do get 38 ATP molecules per glucose, and theoretically they are there, but during cellular respiration, um, it's not really recognized because of the losses that you get when you're of the moving through pyruvate, glycolysis phosphate, ADT, a, ADP, and substrates from the ATP synthesis into the mitochondria. So technically, yes, you do start at 38 ATP, but this is where, once you end, this is where we're getting the 30 and the 32 ATP that we yielded during our presentations. I mean, all are actively transported using carriers and are utilized to store energy in the protein electrochemical gradient. But again, since you have that loss, that's where your like net comes from, which is the 30 and 32 ATP that we've discussed.